Today we reflect, pakitingin, pakicheck, ano nga bang linalaman ng iyong puso? What are the desires of your hearts? For there we could see what we treasure in our life, what we value in our life as our greatest pearl that we considered that we have. Let me end with a prayer of Saint Teresa of Avila. Let nothing frighten you. All things are passing away. God never changes. Whoever has God lacks nothing. God alone suffices. Whoever has God lacks nothing. God alone satisfies or is sufficient enough. And the words of St. Augustine, my heart is restless until it rests in God. May we all find the greatest treasures and find pearl in our